The Pacific Ocean appears peaceful when seen from the shore, a massive blue horizon stretching endlessly. But this calm surface hides the most dangerous ecosystem on Earth. The Pacific is not only the largest ocean, it is also the most extreme. Its size allows life to evolve without limits. Over millions of years, predators here have developed stronger venom, sharper senses, faster reactions, and more efficient killing strategies than almost anywhere else on the planet. Every layer of this ocean, from somewhat surface waters to the darkest depths, is occupied by animals capable of causing serious harm or death. One of the first dangers in the Pacific comes from animals people believe they already understand: sharks. The great white shark dominates large regions of the Pacific, especially along coastlines of North America, Japan, Australia, and New Zealand. This shark is built for efficiency. Its body shape allows silent movement through water, and its senses are so refined it can detect a single drop of blood from kilometers away. The great white's electroreception allows it to sense the electrical signals of a beating heart, even in complete darkness. When it strikes, it does so from below, using the brightness of the surface to blind its prey. A single bite can remove massive amounts of flesh. Many human fatalities occur not because the shark is hunting humans, but because its exploratory bite causes catastrophic injury. Unlike great whites, tiger sharks are aggressive opportunists. Found throughout the Pacific, these sharks move close to shore, often near reefs and river mouths. Their diet is so diverse that scientists consider them one of the least selective predators in the ocean. This behavior increases danger to humans. Tiger sharks are known to attack without warning and often return for multiple bites. Their powerful jaws and serrated teeth can crush bone and tear muscle with ease. Murky water increases their confidence, and in such conditions, humans become vulnerable. Further offshore, where land disappears completely, another predator takes control. The oceanic whitetip shark is considered one of the most dangerous sharks ever documented. Unlike other sharks that avoid unfamiliar objects, this species approaches them directly. In the open Pacific, where food is scarce, hesitation can mean death, so these sharks investigate everything. Survivors of shipwrecks and plane crashes have described oceanic whitetips circling for hours, waiting for weakness. Their slow, confident movements hide their aggression. Once an attack begins, it rarely stops, but sharks are only part of the danger. Some of the Pacific's deadliest animals have no teeth at all. Floating almost invisibly near tropical coastlines is the box jellyfish. Its body is nearly transparent, making it almost impossible to see in water. From its bell hang long tentacles, each one covered in millions of venomous cells. When contact is made, these cells fire instantly, injecting venom that attacks the heart, nervous system, and skin. Pain is immediate and overwhelming. In severe cases, victims lose consciousness within minutes. The venom can cause heart failure. Before help arrives, especially in remote Pacific regions, even more dangerous in some ways is the Irukandji jellyfish. This animal is incredibly small, sometimes no larger than a fingernail. Its sting may go unnoticed at first, creating a false sense of safety. Minutes later, intense pain spreads through the body, muscles cramp violently, blood pressure spikes to life-threatening levels. Victims often experience panic and a sense of impending death. The delay between sting and symptoms makes this jellyfish especially dangerous, as people may already be far from medical help when the effects begin. Danger in the Pacific does not only float in open water, it also hides on the ocean floor. The stonefish is the most venomous fish in the world. Perfectly camouflaged, it blends into coral and rocks so well that even experienced divers fail to notice it. When stepped on, sharp spines inject venom directly into tissue. The pain is so severe it can cause shock. The venom can destroy muscle and skin, sometimes leading to permanent damage or amputation. In isolated Pacific islands, stonefish stings have been fatal due to delayed treatment. Another silent killer moves slowly across coral reefs. The cone snail appears harmless, even beautiful. Its patterned shell attracts collectors who often do not realize the danger. Inside the snail is a venom delivery system more advanced than many snakes. It fires a harpoon-like tooth that injects a cocktail of neurotoxins. These toxins shut down nerve communication, leading to paralysis. Victims may be unable to breathe within minutes. There is no antivenom. Survival depends entirely on rapid medical support, which is often unavailable in remote Pacific locations. The Pacific is also home to one of the most venomous animals known to science, the blue-ringed octopus. This small octopus carries tetrodotoxin, a poison strong enough to stop breathing completely. When threatened, bright blue rings appear on its body as a warning. But when the animal is calm, these rings are not visible. A person may pick it up without realizing the danger. The bite is painless, which delays response. Paralysis follows while the victim remains conscious. Without artificial ventilation, death can occur quickly. Not all Pacific dangers are small or hidden. In the western Pacific, saltwater crocodiles dominate coastal regions. These reptiles are massive, aggressive, and highly intelligent. They patrol river mouths, mangroves, and even open ocean waters. Saltwater crocodiles do not rely on venom or speed alone. They rely on ambush. A single strike can pull a human underwater instantly. Once captured, escape is nearly impossible. These animals have attacked boats, livestock, and humans without hesitation. The danger increases when humans underestimate the Pacific. Many attacks occur not because animals are aggressive, but because people enter their environment without understanding the risks. Clear water gives the illusion of safety. Colorful reefs distract from hidden threats. But in the Pacific, danger does not announce itself. It waits, perfectly adapted to its surroundings. As depth increases in the Pacific Ocean, danger does not disappear. It changes. Light fades, pressure increases, and animals become stranger and more specialized. Some of the largest predators on Earth live far below the surface. Giant squids, though rarely seen, inhabit deep Pacific waters. These animals possess long tentacles armed with powerful suction cups lined with sharp, rotating rings. While direct attacks on humans are extremely rare, their strength is undeniable. Entanglement alone could be fatal. These squids regularly hunt large fish and battle whales, proving their capability for extreme force. Moray eels represent another underestimated threat. Found throughout Pacific reefs, they hide inside narrow crevices during the day. Their mouths remain open, revealing sharp teeth, which often leads people to believe they are aggressive. In reality, this behavior helps them breathe. However, when threatened or startled, moray eels strike with incredible speed. Their bites cause deep lacerations, and bacteria in their mouths can cause severe infections. Some species possess a second set of jaws that pull prey deeper, making escape difficult once bitten. The Pacific is also home to venomous fish that use poison purely as defense. Lionfish, scorpionfish, and stonefish all carry venomous spines. While not always fatal, their stings cause intense pain and swelling. Underwater, this pain can cause panic, leading to rapid breathing and increased risk of drowning. Many injuries occur because these fish blend into reefs so well that swimmers and divers accidentally touch them. Stingrays are another common source of injury in the Pacific. They are not aggressive animals and usually flee when approached. Most injuries happen when people step on them in shallow water. In response, the stingray lashes its tail upward, driving a barbed spine into the leg or foot. The venom causes severe pain and tissue damage. In rare cases, punctures to vital areas can be fatal. The injury of famous wildlife expert Steve Irwin brought global attention to how dangerous these animals can be under the wrong circumstances. Sea snakes inhabit warm Pacific waters and possess venom more potent than many land snakes. They are generally calm, but when trapped or handled, they may bite. Their venom causes muscle breakdown, paralysis, and kidney failure. Symptoms may take hours to appear, causing victims to underestimate the danger. Without treatment, the effects can become life-threatening. Some dangers in the Pacific are linked to human behavior. Overfishing and reef destruction force animals to move into new areas, increasing encounters with humans. Climate change has warmed Pacific waters, allowing jellyfish populations to increase dramatically. Areas once considered safe now experience seasonal outbreaks of venomous species. Tourism has also increased human presence in remote locations where medical facilities are limited or non-existent. Even fish considered food can be deadly. Pufferfish contain tetrodotoxin in their organs. In parts of the Pacific, they are eaten as a delicacy, but incorrect preparation can result in death. The toxin causes numbness, paralysis, and respiratory failure. Victims remain conscious as their body shuts down, making the experience especially terrifying. What makes the Pacific Ocean uniquely dangerous is not just individual animals, but the combination of isolation, environment, and biology. Strong currents can carry injured swimmers far from help. Warm water speeds up venom absorption. Panic increases heart rate, spreading toxins faster. In open ocean environments, even minor injuries can become fatal. Despite this danger, Pacific animals are not monsters. They are highly specialized survivors. Sharks maintain ecosystem balance by removing weak prey. Venomous animals use poison, primarily for defense. Attacks on humans are rare compared to the number of daily interactions. Most incidents occur when humans ignore warning signs or fail to understand animal behavior. The Pacific Ocean demands respect. It is not an environment designed for humans. Its dangerous animals serve as reminders that nature operates on its own rules. Every wave hides complexity. Every reef shelters predators and prey locked in constant struggle. For those who enter the Pacific without preparation, the risks are real. But for those who understand and respect its power, the ocean reveals one of the most extraordinary ecosystems on Earth. The Pacific remains wild, unpredictable, and unforgiving. Its dangerous animals are not errors of nature, but masterpieces of evolution. They have survived ice ages, mass extinctions, and shifting continents. Humans are temporary visitors in this world. The true danger lies not in the animals themselves, but in forgetting that the Pacific Ocean is still in control.